Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the KIPOZI 1-inch Pro Nano-Titanium Flat Iron 450F Salon High Heat Anti-Frizz LCD Hair Straightener Dual Voltage. But once it's on, it straightens my hair so nicely, better than my last flat iron, which was much more expensive. Very good, flat silks hair in multiple temperatures so you don't have to damage your hair curls. Well, would highly recommend. Straightener was perfect for a recent trip to France. Not as powerful as my home straightener, but definitely great for overseas. It also has a lock on the screen so you don't turn it off or change the temp by accident. It is wide enough to handle a lot of hair, and it has a nice grip that firmly presses your hair to straighten it. It heats up very quickly, and it only takes about 2 swipes for a lock of my hair to get straightened. It does give off a smell after it heats up, but that's most likely from hair products that stick to the surface over time. It heats up very quickly. The LCD digital temperature is easy to both set and read, and the actual temp seems true to reading. It also has an automatic turn-off mode which can be set from 30-80 minutes, but you have to read the directions and set it yourself. Love this flat iron. It actually gets hot enough to do the job quickly and doesn't damage my hair. Would definitely buy again. Recommend by my hairstylist after my 75 hair straightener completely damaged and fried my hair. This one leaves my hair feeling smooth and healthy. It is heat faster and also has a security button. If you forget that you left turn on this, reduce the size of the flat iron, although it has a stopwatch. It also has different heat settings based on the damage level of your hair, so cool and definitely worth the price. This is a great flat iron, and it heats up fast once you figure out how the touchpad works. It's great. Only issue is when unlocking the screen to make a change or turn it off. It sometimes takes a few swipes to get it to work. Great to have different options for healthy or damaged hair, so you can easily dial the level of heat up or down depending on your hair needs. Great flat iron for the price. Controls are a little tricky at first, but once you figure it out, it's no big deal. This flat iron is amazing. It gets my super curly 4A hair bone straight and shiny, and with 2 passes would recommend. Works so much better than my last one that cost me $120. This is so worth the money. Heats up in seconds. Now my con to this is that to turn it down or unlock the screen can be a pain in the butt, but it's a good flat iron. It is digital, and it seems like you have to tap the button so many times in order to turn the thing on. The plates do not cover the entire surface area, so you have to be careful to not create that annoying crease bend in your hair. The only problem is the wand gets so hot that you're not able to grab the end of it for extra control like when you curling. Quite happy with this. However, the sliding functionality isn't very receptive to touch, so it's difficult to switch between function. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.